The 2022 Honda ADV 150 scooter. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have new content for you to blow your mind and new tips and ideas. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated videos in the future. The comfort of ADV 150. 2-position windscreen. Changing riding conditions? No worries, the ADV 150 features an innovative 2-position windscreen. Want more breeze? Just lower it. Want improved wind and weather protection? Up she goes, no tools required. Low center of gravity. Because the engine, drivetrain, and fuel tank are mounted low in the frame, the ADV 150 has a low center of gravity. That helps inspire confidence, especially in parking lots or tight traffic conditions. Rider comfort. The ADV 150's long, plush seat is designed for comfort. The two-tone look also features two textures. Your passenger even gets an elevated section, so he or she can see the surroundings better. Plus, the ADV 150's bodywork narrows down where you sit, giving you more room. The convenience of ADV 150. Ample storage. Your ADV 150 has tons of available storage. First, flip open the seat and there's a weather-resistant 27-liter main compartment that locks securely. It's big enough for a full-face helmet and lots more. Then there's a convenient 2-liter compartment up front with a 12-volt charging port, perfect for your phone or other quick access needs. Easy to park. Scooters can find parking more easily than cars, but the ADV 150 makes it even easier. You get the choice of both a side stand and a center stand. That makes it easy to park for a fast dash into a store or when you need to park it upright in a tighter space. With many other scooters, you only get one or the other. Honda Smart Key. Forget about fumbling for an old-school key. With Honda's Smart Key, starting the ADV 150 is as easy as pushing a button or two. No conventional key is needed. Best of all, you can just leave it in your pocket. Plus, the ADV 150's fuel-injected engine fires right up and runs smooth, even in colder weather. Rugged, muscular style. If you thought scooters were all about European vacations, the new ADV 150 is going to rock your world. With its tough, muscular looks, it's built for the way we ride today. Plus, check out the all-LED lighting package, including the turn signals and instrumentation. Fuel capacity. Like all Honda scooters, the ADV 150 is incredibly fuel efficient, plus, its large 2.1-gallon tank means you can go even longer and ride even further between fill-ups. The performance of ADV 150. Rugged suspension, premium shocks. The ADV 150 features show a registered telescopic front suspension with the most travel in its class, a full 5.1 inches. In the rear, a pair of premium Showa shocks feature remote piggyback reservoirs and triple-rate springs that control 4.7 inches of travel. PGM fuel injection. The ADV 150 features liquid cooling and programmed fuel injection, PGM-5, for great performance in all traffic conditions and easy starting, even in cold weather. Plus the ADV 150 offers impressive fuel efficiency. The technology of ADV 150. Anti-lock brakes, ABS. Sometimes adventure means not knowing what's around the next corner. Don't worry, the ADV 150 has your back. Every ADV 150 features Honda's anti-lock braking system, ABS, giving you the power to make confident stops, even in less than ideal conditions. 12-volt accessory adapter. Where would we be without our electronic devices? The ADV 150's integrated 12-volt adapter makes it easy to keep your personal electronics charged up when you're on the go. It's located inside the 2-liter storage compartment up front on the left side. Frame. Great handling and rugged construction start with a solid chassis design, and that's where the ADV 150 really shines. It uses a duplex cradle steel tube design rather than the more common underbone style. You may never see it, but you'll feel the benefits every time you ride. V-Matic transmission. With the Honda V-Matic automatic transmission, just start the engine, twist the throttle, and go. That means no shifting, you concentrate on the road ahead and enjoy the ride. The V-Matic is a continuously variable design, so you'll always have smooth power delivery. I hope to help you with 2022 Honda ADV 150. If you want this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more coming content in the future. See you in the next video.